Alright, today I will show you how to install Ubuntu 22.04 on any computer that you want. First, we'll have to download the ISO file for Ubuntu 22.04. So just go to ubuntu.com/download/desktop to download it. Here, Ubuntu 22.04.2 LTS. Hit download. Since I already have it downloaded, we'll just go on the next step. We now have to go to rufus.ie/en to download Rufus, which is a tool that helps us create bootable USB drives. Alright, so now that we've opened Rufus, you'll see that the device, boot selection, and some other stuff. So for device, you'll just have to put the USB you're going to be using. So for this, I'm going to use this Ubuntu USB that I have. Now, you have to select the Ubuntu file that you downloaded. Here it is, so I'll use that. You probably shouldn't change anything that. And then start. You'll probably write an ISO mode. Yeah. So click OK. Alright. After it's ready, you just have to eject the USB and plug it into the computer you need. Now we'll go to there. Alright, so after you have flashed your USB with the Ubuntu ISO file, plug it into your computer and turn on the computer. Now enter the BIOS, which could be F2 or delete or something else. And then from here, go over to boot and make sure that the USB is your first boot option. Okay, now you can change it to next. From here, make sure it's on try or install Ubuntu, and then hit that. Alright, so it has loaded, and let's continue the installation once it loads. Alright, so let's hit install Ubuntu, and select your language here. For me, it's English. And then there. Continue, unless you want to change your keyboard. If you want to connect to internet, just select one and connect, and put in your password. Alright. So it's connected, and that's good. Let's go. Now you can select normal installation, which has the web browser, utilities, and some other stuff, or you can just do the minimal installation. I would go with the normal installation because it has all the stuff. Alright, let's go. This may take a little bit. Alright, so I would suggest erasing the disk and installing Ubuntu, because it'll help you with space and stuff. Just hit continue. Alright, now just select where you are. If it's correct, just hit continue. Write your name, so I'll just write example, and just pick a password. Alright, you can either select login automatically without a password, or require your password login. I'll use required my password. So, okay. Now, this is the part where it's installing, so it might take a while. So the installation is complete. Now we just have to restart the computer. Okay. So now you can log in. Put in your password. I also want to remove your USB and look, you're in Ubuntu.